Murder case from a 2020 shooting in McClellanville is seeing some delays in the courts, causing stress on the victims' loved ones. Melissa Rademacher was at a scheduled plea hearing today, but explains why it's still not resolved more than 4 years later.
At a scheduled plea hearing today, the defendant appeared without a lawyer, not to plead guilty, but to work out logistics that have held up this case for at least a year. 20-year-old Manuel Foy's family and friends, some of whom attended the scheduled hearing, will have to keep waiting for justice. Anthony Simmons-Dunmeyer is charged with Foy's murder. The shooting that killed Foy happened on September 2nd on Old Georgetown Road in McClellanville. Deputies responded to the scene the next morning where they found Foy's body in a car. But Simmons-Dunmeyer didn't plead guilty at today's hearing. Instead, the state asked him to answer for why he doesn't have a lawyer. It's been a back-and-forth issue throughout his case, causing delays. Simmons-Dunmeyer secured a public defender in 2020. In April of 2023, he hired a private lawyer. 1 year ago, in February of 2024, he asked the court for permission to get rid of that personal lawyer, but he hasn't hired a new one or secured a public defender since. Judge Roger Young sternly told Simmons-Dunmeyer he has 30 days to get a lawyer or the state can take him directly to trial, forced to represent himself. The judge reprimanded the defendant for the status of his case and warned he encourages the state to act in 30 days if needed on this nearly 5-year-old case. Foy's loved ones may have expected a guilty plea, but instead left the courtroom today with more timelines and deadlines to watch out for. In Charleston, Melissa Rademacher, Live 5 News.